Show you how to change the oil on a Titan 24 and a Titan Twin with the FS481 engine. The procedure's the same on the FH541 engine, so whether it's a new style or old style machine, the oil change will be the same. In order to start, you want to remove the yellow cap on the oil drain valve. You want to take your drain hose and install it on the valve. Make sure you have a suitable container to catch the oil. Turn the oil drain valve approximately a tenth of a turn counterclockwise and pull it towards you to start the oil draining. Once you have the oil draining, open the cap for your dipstick so the engine can breathe and the oil will drain better that way. While you're draining your oil, take some paper towel and install it and pack it underneath your oil filter in order to catch the oil once you loosen your filter. In order to loosen the filter, use a suitable oil filter wrench. Loosen your oil filter, but don't remove it yet. Let the oil drain into the paper towel. Once the oil is drained into the paper towels, you can remove your oil filter. Before installing the new oil filter, you will want to wipe the gasket surface on the engine block. Once the gasket surface is clean, take a new oil filter, put just a drop of oil on the top of the surface, take your finger and lubricate the gasket on the filter. Once you have done that, double check the gasket surface on the engine block and install your new oil filter. Once the filter is in place, you can remove your paper towels. Wipe up any excess oil underneath the filter or on the deck of the machine. Make sure to tighten your filter hand tight, but tighten it hand tight with both hands. You want it good and snug on the engine. Once your filter is installed and your oil is drained, you may remove the oil drain tube, wipe the oil drain valve, make sure the valve is closed, and install your oil cap. Fill the oil on the engine. The engine takes just under 2 quarts of oil. Fill the oil through the dipstick tube, making sure you install the 1 3/4 initially. Once you have the oil installed, wipe your dipstick clean, install it into the engine, start and run the engine for approximately 1 minute. Once you have, shut the machine down, let it set for approximately a minute. Remove your dipstick and check your oil level. If the oil level is low, take the remaining oil, top off the oil until it reads. To the pull mark on your dipstick. Reinstall your dipstick, and that will complete your oil change.